Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain about the profitability index, one of the discounted cash flow technique of capital budgeting. In the previous videos, we have seen the different methods of capital budgeting like payback period, accounting rate of return, internal rate of return and net present value. This is the last technique of profitability, last technique of capital budgeting, that is profitability index. It is also called as benefit cost ratio, and we can define profitability index as the ratio of present value of cash inflows to the initial cash outflow. Means here we will consider present value of cash inflows and initial investment for the calculation of profitability index. And calculation of profitability index is similar to calculation of net present value. In case of net present value, we'll go for calculating present value of cash inflows, and from those cash inflows we will deduct the present value of cash outflows, that is initial investment. The same thing here we will follow. The small change between NPV and profitability index is there we'll go for subtracting present value of cash inflows and present value of cash outflows. Here we are dividing the both, but the remaining procedure is same. So the formula for profitability index is present value of cash inflows divided by initial cash outlay. So in case of net present value of cash inflows minus initial outlay or present value of cash outflows we will consider. But here we will divide the present value of cash inflows by initial cash outlay or initial investment. So let us see the calculation of profitability index with an example. Let us see how to calculate the profitability index. So calculate profitability index by applying discount rate of 12%, and the initial investment is rupees 8 lakhs. They have given the cash inflows and PV factor at 12% for the time period of 3 years. So here no need to go for checking the present value table for the PV factor. Directly they have given the PV factor at 12%. So now you should calculate profitability index with these information, that is cash inflows and PV factors and the initial investment. They have given the required information to calculate profitability index. Now we'll go for calculating the profitability index. The formula for calculating profitability index is present value of cash inflows divided by initial investment or cash outlay. So here present value of cash inflows, how you will go for calculating present value of cash inflows? By multiplying given cash inflows with the PV factor and summation of all the years present values, you'll get the present value of cash inflows. And initial investment or cash outflow, that is the original investment made or cost of the project, will take under the initial investment. Let us go for calculating the present value of cash inflows. So first we'll go for taking years cash inflows PV factor at 12%, and then you'll get the present value of cash inflows. So here we are having the information for 3 years. 1, 2, 3. Cash inflows, first year 3 lakhs 50,000, second year 8 lakhs, the third year 2 lakhs 50,000. The PV factors given for the first year 0.893, and for the second year 0.797, and for the third year 0.636. Now by multiplying cash inflows with PV factors, you will get the present value of cash inflows. So here 3,50,000 into 0.893, you will get the present value of cash inflow as 3,12,550. And the second year 8 lakhs into 0.797, you will get 6,37,600, and the third year 2,50,000 into 0.636, you will get 1,59,000. So now you will got the present value of cash inflows. Add all the years cash inflows. The total of 3,12,550, 6,37,600 and 1,59,000. You will get 11,9,150. So this will be considered as the present value of cash inflows. So according to the formula, you require present value of cash inflows and initial investment. Initial investment already given in the problem. So we got the present value of cash inflows. Now apply the formula of profitability index. So that is present value of cash inflows divided by initial investment. So present value of cash inflows we have calculated, that is 11,09,150 will be the present value of cash inflows. Initial investment, that is the cost of the project or initial investment, they have given as the 8 lakhs. Go for write it as the 8 lakhs. Now 11,09,150 divided by 8 lakhs, you will get 1.38 as the profitability index. Now you should suggest whether the project should be accepted or not according to profitability index. That is, the decision making should be done according to the profitability index. What is the rule for profitability index? Whether to accept or reject the project. So here the conditions is, the decision making is, if profitability index is more than 1, accept the project, and if profitability index is less than 1, reject the project. So now with in this problem, the calculated profitability index is 1.38, so more than 1, so you'll go for accepting the project. So this is how we'll go for calculating the profitability index. It is almost similar to the calculation of net present value itself. So thank you.